Hey everyone, Jimmy here with Moxie Surfaces, and today we're going to be briefly going over our different sample kits. So come on, let's check them out. For a basic understanding of Moxie products, our two-piece sample kit is perfect. This kit has both an airboard and clear PEP sample and is great for any office where space is limited. These are also used as our project sample submittal boxes. For a bit more variety, our medium sample kit is ideal. Still very compact, this kit packs a punch when it comes to the sample choices. With 7 different samples along with literature, this is the go-to sample kit for any designer or architect. We also offer this sample kit with only airboard acoustic samples. Our large sample box is a complete array of samples and includes at least one sample of each core and finish type and a variety of our standard or premium colors. It contains airboard, airboard acoustic, airboard quiet, and clear PEP. And if you have the space and plan on specifying Moxie surfaces, this is the sample box for you. When you're in need of something a bit larger than the samples provided in our kits, then these 8x12 inch panels are your answer. These panels will give the client a better idea of the look, feel, and transparency that our panels provide. We do not offer oversized samples in all colors and core types, but we can supply something representative to your needs. Can't decide the color or core? No problem. We can send individual core and colored facing samples for you to mix and match and try the colors on the different core types to aid in your review and diligence of Moxie surfaces. For more information or to get your free sample kit, please email us at create@moxiesurfaces.com.